Hey, I'm Jacob Sanders of VRA Buyers Realty right here on Smith Lake, and today I'm excited to show you this brand new listing that we've got. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a bonus room that's on one of the flattest lots in all of Smith Lake. You know, one of the great things I love about this home is when you walk in, you're going to immediately see it has a huge open floor plan. The kitchen is open to the living area, has tall vaulted ceilings with the bonus room. But look, the best part, it has views of Smith Lake from almost every room of the home. It even has this cool bonus area up here for all the kids that come up here. If you get tired of them, if you're getting in your way down here, send them up here. They've got their own playroom. It's even got removable stairs so you can take them out so they can't get down. Another added bonus to this home is actually the downstairs, which it has a nice big living area, but also a kitchen right here. So if you've got a big family and you're gonna have some extra space and need more room to put your food or groceries, you got a space for it. Or if you have a 30-year-old son that won't get out of your basement, and it's a great place for him to live too. One of the other things I really love about this place is the walkout basement, where you walk out into a patio that overlooks Smith Lake right here. And one of the added bonuses right here for this home is this hot tub that's going to be staying here. Super nice to hang out with on these cold nights, or just hang out with your buddies. And as if you needed another reason to love this home, you got this huge detached garage right here that's perfect to store an RV or boat, or just have your man cave right here. The best part of this is the view behind me. This is located right off the main channel of the lake with about 124 feet of water frontage and one of the flattest lots that you're going to find on all of Smith Lake. So there we have it. Again, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a loft that could be a 4th bedroom with a full basement, priced at $845,000 on one of the flattest lots of all of Smith Lake. Easy to get to. Give me a call if I can help.